Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a mock turtleneck crop top. Start by smoothing out as many wrinkles as you can, and then decide where you want the center of your spiral to be. I give it a little pinch, and for this one I'm using the microwave splatter guard and a modified fork. So I just got an inexpensive fork from the dollar store, and I bent 2 of the tines backwards and out of the way. I give the fork a couple of twists, maybe 2 or 3 twists, and then with my opposite hand I create the pleats. And I go around and around, and I go until I can't go any farther using the splatter guard. I'll hold down the center of the spiral and gently wiggle the fork out. And then I simply secure it by using rubber bands. If you're new to tie-dyeing, maybe you haven't done a long sleeve shirt yet because you feel a little intimidated by it. I'm here to tell you, don't be intimidated. I actually find the long sleeves to be helpful. You can wrap them around the spiral and it just sort of buttons everything up. Now I'm working on tightening up my spiral. That way I'm able to pick it up or flip it, move it around without it falling apart on me. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye, and I'm just adding my dye and the pieces of the pie. I previously marked out my pattern using a washable marker. That's what all those marks are. Not a necessary step, but it's something that I like to do. And you see other projects in there. Many of you just recently watched me make a maxi skirt. Well, now I'm making a shirt that will go with that maxi skirt. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I make a lot of different tie-dye stuff, and in general I think we have a lot of fun here on my channel. And for those of you that have been around since the beginning, I'm so happy that you've stuck with me. I appreciate it so much. Everybody double check, make sure that you've clicked your subscribe button and have turned your bell to all, and then go into your device settings and turn on notifications for YouTube. That way you don't miss any uploads. I'm currently uploading just about every single day through summer because I know we have a lot of brand new tie-dyers looking to learn. So I'm trying to take advantage of that. And I'm steadily creeping up to the 20,000 subscriber mark. So I'm thinking about what should I do for the next giveaway when I reach that. And I think I'm going to try to make a tapestry to give away. What do you guys think about that? Maybe in the comments, help give me some ideas of a giveaway that you would like for me to do. Once I have all the dye on the project the way that I like it, I give it a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure, and I add my ice. Now the soda ash is just an extra precaution because this is going to be sitting in a lot of melted ice water, so I want to make sure that the project stays up at the pH range of 10.5 to 11. And then it is recommended that you let the project batch at 70 degrees or higher for at least 24 hours after the ice melts. And I can tell you this project batched for the full 48 hours. Now it's time for the rinse out. And you want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle using Kirillon, a professional textile detergent. And then I like to do a final hot water cycle using Millsoft, which is a professional fabric softener. And I get both Kirillon and Millsoft from Dharma Trading Company. And there are links for them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check that out. And then I will dry it and I'll iron it and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. I can tell you at first when I was washing it, I was a little nervous that it was going to be really super dark, but after washing it with the Carolon and it drying and all of that, it's lightened up a lot. It's super duper bright. And when you pair it with a skirt, oh my goodness. I mean, could you imagine walking around? You're going to just turn everybody's heads. I don't know if I would be brave enough to pull an outfit off like this, even though I love tie-dye so much, but it sure would be fun. So overall, what do you think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!